pixelated ground. Zeros to heroes making big game sounds. Started in a basement dreaming by low wings. Godot Foundation giving life to things. World of Craft where we built our first stage. Player versus code, we scripted every rage. Blocks of Minecraft creating our own lore. Pixel pushing pixels but we always wanted more. World of Craft where we built our first stage. Player versus code, we scripted every rage. Blocks of Minecraft creating our own lore. Pixel pushing pixels but we always wanted more. Freedom Forge where the code runs free. Crafting virtual worlds for all to be. From League of Legends to Valorant's haste. Digital horizons where our dragons blaze. Multiplayer worlds, build then fight. From the shadows emerging to the dev's light. Hurdles and glitches but we always stood tall. In the chaos of nights we answered the call. Summer's Rift to Minecraft squares. Champion codes to Valorant dares. Crafting characters with style unmatched. Freedom Forge Stadium, hearts unlatched. Freedom Forge where the code runs free. Crafting virtual worlds for all to be. From League of Legends to Valorant's haste. Digital horizons where our dragons blaze. Freedom Forge where the code runs free. Crafting virtual worlds for all to be. From League of Legends to Valorant's haste. Digital horizons where our dragons blaze. Bootstrap the biz from the pixelated ground. Zeros to heroes making big game sounds. Started in a basement dreaming by low wings. Godot Foundation giving life to things. World of Craft where we built our first stage. Player versus code, we scripted every rage. Blocks of Minecraft.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Pixel pushing pixels, but we always wanted more. World of Craft where we built our
boys
first
and girls,
we scripted every rage.
words, the moment you have all been waiting for.
Freedom Forge where the code runs free. Crafting virtual worlds for all to be. From League of
Yo.
Legends to Valorant's haste.
All right. Holy moly, we've done it. Let's see. Need to pull this up. Do a little bit of this. Do a little bit of that. Ugh. I would first like to apologize for the delay. I almost forgot to eat lunch. I had to make some more food. And then the food was taking a little bit longer than expected to cook. And yeah. All right, let's hit up maybe like this. Yeah. Wait for it.
Downey makes
Oh
clothes.
my lord. Not Downey. View docs. Twitch chat. Pull this up. So late. Dr. Dark Hicatile, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. A whole like 6 minutes late or something, 5 minutes late. Well, I guess now it's 13 minutes. Howdy, Jax. Howdy. Aren't you like 2 hours late? No, not at all. 2 hours late? What are you talking about? We're not starting the... We're going to be starting the streams an hour earlier. Tomorrow or the next day. Depends on when my protein powder comes in. It feels like 2 hours. Man. Man, oh man. All right. We had a lot of work to do today, team. A lot of work. We got to figure out our animations. We got to unbreak everything. I thought normal time was 10:30. No. No. Normal time is 11:30 currently. And then it's going to be then it'll be later. We have to talk on Discord, bro, for the character. Yeah, sure thing. I think I was sending you a couple messages earlier today. I got to get you more pictures and whatnot, for sure. But yeah. I'll after stream, I'm gonna try to find some more like concept art kind of stuff to really explain what we're looking for. But yeah, it's really just kind of a low poly kind of thing with like I guess the word is stylized art or something. Here we go. Move you here. 3D. Yeah. So we also changed the flooring, if you guys didn't realize. Can anyone read your GitHub? No, I think it's a privated repo. But like, I can show you guys. Oh, all right. So as we can see here, we used to have over like 40,000 blocks. I want to look at your state machine to see something. Was curious if you can put movement into it. I can show you the state machine. No prob. I mean, you can put movement into a state machine, but you have to remember that one state can play at a time. So it's like, if you have a movement state machine, then your character can't do anything else but that movement. So if you want it to be able to move and attack, you can't really do that. I guess unless you made another state called move and attack, I guess that would work. But that would be a little wild. A little overkill maybe. All right, so let's hop to Bam Bam. Oh yeah, we're gonna see what so we used to have 40,000 blocks or something crazy like that as our floor. Now we just have a plane, so that should make the game run a little bit better. We did fix I believe we fixed the drag and drop. Yep. And there's the fairy's movement is good. And it heals, which is good. But it won't. Oh, that's right. It doesn't attack. Because we want it to play the attack animation and stuff, but it just won't. Due to the way we have the state machine stuff set up. So we gotta clean this up a little bit here. Clean that there. That. That can leave open. That we can close. Leave that open, close. Okay. Now we're cleaned up. So in the Fairy GD, we need to figure out how we're going to I'm like all over the place right now. Maybe we swap the way our animations work a little bit. So currently, what's going on? Board Programmer, thank you for the follow and welcome. Oh, one moment. Sorry about that, team. There we go. Put that over there. Oh, just getting spammed with the messages right now. I was making this map for a campaign in 2022, and unfortunately I stopped working on it due to lack of resources, graphics card. Ah. I'll check it out. It's... Whoa. Look at this. That's nutty. Wow. That's really good. Really good. Dang. All right. Well, what we need to do right now is we're going to fix the animations. So what I mean by fixing the animations is over here in our animation tree, we tried to get fancy with it, like really fancy with it. We made a blend tree with, reminds me of Skyrim. Yeah, a little bit. Let's see. We made 2 one-shots, one for the special ability, and one for the attack. Now, the problem is that the special ability will work just fine, but the attack will not. So, I don't know how to... Like, the attack will work. Here, let's add some movement. So we're flying here. And then we can turn this on. So fire. That works. It fires. But in the code, whenever we tell it to fire, it won't. Maybe we're calling it wrong somewhere? So we get the parameters, blend tree, attack, request, attack, and then we request it, which is to fire. So it's like, I don't know. Maybe if current closest, oh no. What? Okay. My brain is, I'm scatterbrained today. I'm gonna need you guys to help me out with reeling myself back in here. So we got companion arm. That's a good question. What game engine are you using, Jax? Unity? Yeah. I was about to say, it kind of looked like Unity. Alright. Let me get situated. And we're gonna... Listen, yesterday, we did a lot. A lot. I wanna keep that streak going. I would like to do a lot as well. Again today. This works. We know. For a fact. Special, and then the attack. So why doesn't the attack work? It's swapping to the attack state. We've seen that. But it's not... What? What can we do in order to why isn't this playing? That's the question. Why doesn't this play? Is it something to do with our target finder dot find closest target, and then maybe do find or target finder current closest target dot team not equal to self dot team, and then we do an and. We'll do and target finder dot current closest target is not null. And we put these in parentheses because we hopped a line. Let's try that out. I don't think that's the issue, but we're trying it. We have to talk in Discord voice call. Potentially. If there's something that like you can't do over text, I can try to find time to do that. Problem is, most of the time, that's not good. Okay, that didn't work. The problem is most of the time I'm super busy with doing video editing right now. So it's very difficult for me to talk and video edit at the same time. We can try to figure something out though. I can hop in our Discord, in the Discord server at some point, maybe tonight. After stream, maybe. I might be able to do that. Target finder. All right, so we'll not do team. Dang. What do we do here? The team didn't work. We'll just say if it's not null. I just don't know why the team part didn't work. Oh, great news though. Tomorrow is Amazon Prime Day. That means we're ordering a new monitor and hopefully gonna get a sweet deal on it. Interesting. It's not attacking. Let's print target finder dot current closest target. Wait a sec. No, we have a target finder. Never mind. Do we not have a team? Team friendly. No. We do have a team. No. Okay, so it's targeting the test dummy, like for sure. What happens when we take damage? Yeah. It's targeting it. But it's not playing the animation. Animation tree set. Maybe it's not blend tree attack? It's got to be blend tree attack though, because you go into the blend tree, then you go to attack, and you set 1 to fire. And it works the same way over here. Special, blend tree special request, blend tree attack request, blend tree special request, parameters, blend tree, attack, request. Why? I don't know why that doesn't want to work. What if we do the long format way? So we head over here to the... Oh, I still gotta organize all this stuff. The player script. And the long format way we have is this. Let's try that. Maybe it's just getting confused or something. So here, instead of 1, request fire. I saw in Hypnotic's chat. Who, me? I'm always in Hypnotic's chat. Ugh. Oh man. Yeah, we try to be everywhere. As many interesting chats as possible. Like this but it's getting pretty rough, I will say. My ability to work has been decreasing as... Why are you not firing? My ability to work has been decreasing as I find more and more streamers that I want to watch. Because I'm trying to... I usually end up having I'll have my video editing in front of me, and then over on my other screen I'll have 5 different streams open at once, all with the volumes playing, and I just listen to their voices to see if see if something interesting happens or something, and then I'll hop over and yeah, it's been tough. Been tough. It was easier when there was only 2 or 3, and then I started learning about more and more people, and then I was like, oh, I want to watch them. But yeah, I'll figure out some way. Maybe I'll limit it to only watching a couple, but I don't know. I do the same thing. It gets rough, very rough. But it's gotta do what we gotta do. All right, why? Maybe it's not called animation node one shot. Maybe we call it, well, it is. Animation node one shot. Animation plays the animation once in the animation node blend tree. So if we do animation node blend tree, I feel like that's just overextend. Yeah. Animation node blend tree. Cannot find member. Wait, what if we do a attack? No. That gamer, what's up? How you doing? Let's see. Man, why? I almost... I almost feel like we're going to set up 2 different blend trees and see if that works. I'm alive, you? I don't know yet. I don't know yet. We're going to name this one Attack Tree. And we'll name this one Special Tree. And then what we'll do here... I guess we'll find out. Yeah. I guess we will. Then we're going to do the one shot. And basically we're just going to do this. Can I just copy that? This might not work. This would be too easy if it worked. Yeah. Too easy if it worked. All right, we get the one shot in there. Attack. We'll get the blend space 1D in there. Open an editor. Go here. Add animation. Idle. Add animation. Fly. Hop back over here. 0. I don't think... Did we not put it at a 0? No, we did. Wait, why does that say 0.1? Wait. What about this one? This needs to be 0, not 0.1. What the? Alright, let's just get rid of them. We'll do this. We'll do 0, 0. And then we can just do it from right to left, maybe. Or left to right. Same thing. Idle. Fly. 0 and 1. I guess we'll find out. How old are you? I just turned 26 a couple days ago. By a couple days ago, I mean like a week ago. During our birthday party stream. And then here. Now we have the one shot, so we're going to just do an animation for it. We're going to do the spell 1, connect that in, connect that in, connect that in. Okay. That one's done. That's the attack tree. Special tree, we're doing the exact same thing. Except instead of the special, we'll do a... Or instead of the attack, we're going to do the special. Why you shaved your hair? Because I underestimated chat. Basically, we had... Chat was saying, hey, you should shave your head bald if we hit 100 subs. And I was like, okay, because it's not like... I didn't think we were actually going to hit 100 subs. And next thing I knew, we hit 100 subs. And so I had to follow through with what I said. Best idea ever. I don't know about that one. Probably not the best idea ever, but it happened. Yeah, so now we're It's actually growing back a lot faster than I thought. It's starting to lose the shininess, and I actually have like hair now. It's a little spiky, but it's starting to get better. I can actually feel all the hair now. There's no bald spots. I can feel the hair. It kind of feels like it feels like a buzz cut. That's what it feels like. I think we're at a 0 right now. That's what I think. But yeah, we're gonna try to grow it back, hopefully, and then we can go back to our normal lives. Whew. Put that in. We'll do an animation. We'll do the special. Connect that there. Connect that there. All right. So now, what I think we're gonna do is I wonder if we can do, instead of blend tree, we do attack tree. Oh, I forgot to put a scale there. That's right. I forgot the scale. Okay, we'll have to put the scale in real quick. 360. Oh man. We just started getting on a roll. Little jump in there. Whew. Yeah, that's why. See, some of you crazy folks were trying to say get a Godot tattoo on my head, on my bald head, just like right here. Nah, that's not. I did say though, if my hair ended up somehow growing curly, kind of like an afro, then I would probably debate on like shaping the hair to the Godot logo. I would definitely debate that. There we go. Time scale, speed scale. If you didn't, I think you're clinically insane. If I didn't what? If I didn't not want to get the tattoo? Oh wait, this isn't special, this is attack. There we go. This one we do the speed scale on for... Oh, we just deleted it all. Special speed. Connect that here. If you did get a tattoo, yeah. That would be a little crazy. A little crazy. Why did I start game dev? Whew. Well, a little bit like I was saying yesterday. I've been a big time gamer for a long time now, like 15-ish years, if not more. Just playing mostly playing games like World of Warcraft. Played a bunch of FPS games, and I wasn't really with all the different games I was playing, I didn't like the direction I was seeing the big studios bringing their games. What I mean by that is it seemed as though when the games kind of like first came out and were going on for like a couple of years, it seemed as though the developers like were making a game that they really loved and that they wanted to play and all that. But over time, it started to kind of transition to a like, hey, how do we appease our investors and make the most amount of money first and then worry about the love of the game, like how players like the game, all that kind of stuff. And so I feel like the priorities kind of got reversed. And I'm working on a hypothesis that if we just purely focus, like make our main focus on the players, on the gameplay, on loving the game that we're making, then I think that might turn out to be a more successful company and business model than what's currently at the top. So that's kind of what we're trying to do. Do you like Warzone? I haven't played much Warzone. The little bits I did play, yeah, it was pretty fun. I would say so. Big up, LT, big up. Yeah, that's kind of what got me into game dev. Is I want to create a large community and a large business to do things differently, and also to kind of help people out more. I mean, it's a little bit of a sad story, but I ended up. I'll let you guys in on part of it. I went through a whole sad boy phase. I was hyper depressed, all this stuff, and I ended up I just like dove into games even deeper, like full degen mode. I would like go to bed at like 5 a.m., wake up at like 12 in the afternoon, and just immediately jump back on my computer, just non-stop gaming, non-stop. And I kind of wish that there was it was more of like escapism, I guess, would be the term. And so I kind of wish that there was a game where, yes, I could feed that escapism when I thought life was too hard, but a game that could also give me more like usable real life skills. So then if someone does end up in that similar situation where they just throw themselves into a game, because it's much easier to do that, they can also learn something along the way. And then when they finally are ready, they can kind of transition that skill set that they learned in the games to real life and not have kind of wasted their time gaming, if you will. But that's more of a long away thing. Right now, we're just starting off where I need to develop the base skill set of game development, and then while building up a community, while trying to find people with a similar vision to make similar vision and mission to make accessible and rewarding games. And during this process, hopefully, we'll be able to start getting more money and be able to afford hiring people and build out our team, making it bigger and bigger. So you're going from lifeguarding to guarding life. Precisely. Yes. Yeah. I mean, I kind of skipped around a lot in the timeline, but yeah, I ran a lifeguard training company for a bit. That was fun. I went around to community pools and summer camps and would train their lifeguards, create programs, budget planning, all that kind of stuff. Emergency action plans. Would help with understanding how to teach swim lessons, how to do just about anything in regards to aquatics, including boating and boat safety, that kind of stuff. But yeah, ended up coming back to technology because I found that within the lifeguarding industry in particular, everyone had like a purpose for being there. Like it was like their family member drowned, they drowned and were saved by a lifeguard, like that kind of stuff. And from a business perspective, and for wanting to have the amount of impact that I want to have with my life, I can't compete with that. Those are forces that are such strong driving forces that it's just, you can't compete with it unless you experience that. And so I was trying to think of what kind of experience have I been through that would give me almost that advantage in a way. And I came to game development. But yeah, I'm planning on I probably should make an entire like video about my life story or something. I think it's rather interesting, and hopefully it will. I'm positive it's not a very all right, I'm positive that a lot of people can relate to it and have had similar experiences. And so hopefully it will kind of, those who are in a rut will, hopefully it will inspire them, build them up. Good story, good message. Thank you, thank you. But yeah, I need to think of a way to explain it, especially like when I'm streaming, because it's not that I'm hesitant to tell you guys about my story. It's just that it's a very long story, and I haven't thought of a proper way to like condense it down yet. I gotta like sit down and like actually write it out and figure out how to properly condense it so it doesn't take over 2 hours to explain. Ah, little 360. Jax, what do you mean by controller or MK? Oh, mouse and keyboard or controller? When I played Warzone, I played with a mouse and keyboard. I did play. The only time I really used a controller was for a little bit during Halo Infinite. A little bit. But I generally like mouse and keyboard more. I like having that precision. Even though I'm not good at it. Far better on a controller with the aim assist, but having that, I like being in charge of like my own downfalls and stuff. I think that's nice. Okay, so we're gonna do controllers. Yeah, no. Mouse and keyboard's the way. Okay, so here it is. We want I guess we do just request. Do you have a PlayStation? I do not, no. The only console I have, which I don't even have it with me anymore since I moved, was a Switch. And I was using that for like Mario Kart, that kind of stuff. Yeah, but once I used to play like a lot of Xbox, like the original Xbox, then the 360 when it came out, and then I got a PC, or I got into PC gaming, and I just haven't really looked back from there. I like using a PC. Okay, maybe instead of animation tree set, we do animation tree. Maybe it's travel. No. I think it has to be instead of animation tree set. Oh wait, I really messed that up. Hold up. It's the wrong one. This is one. What if we do playback? Animation playback? That's a node state machine though. That's tough. Okay, what if we... Yeah, I don't know how to set up animations. What if we, like, link them all together? Oh, there we go. Do that. Come over here. Click this guy. And just delete. What if we try that out? Bob the Builder. Can we fix it? Yes, we can. I'm glad you got that reference, Wolfric. I was afraid no one was going to get the reference. Oh, come on. Attack. Please. No. Hmm. I don't know what we're to do here. I just don't. We hop over to it. Let's see if it runs properly. Yeah. And then if we hit fire, yeah, that works. Fire. Okay. So it works, but it's just not doing it. Script. Animation nodes. Mode. Or wait. State attacking. We set the animation tree to the parameters attack tree. Attack. And then we request. Oh, instead of here. Attack. Tree. Attack speed scale. All right. So it should just jump to the other one. Why is it so hard to move stuff around? What do you mean by that? I mean, everything is. Like file-wise? Oh, it's not? I just haven't gotten around to it. You're talking about like the file system over here on the side? Yeah, we ended stream later last night, and then I had to go finish eating dinner and all that. It's not, I mean, it's, the big reason is because everything is kind of connected, and it's like referencing the files. So if you move the location, then it has to reconnect where it's looking for that location. So if I have one file here, it'll look there, but then if I move that file, it looks there and nothing's there. So you have to reroute it so then it looks back to here. At least that's to my understanding, that's how it works. I could be wrong. Is it just attacking very slowly, maybe? Attack speed's 50, no. Oh, wait. Our attack range is 1. 10. I hope this works. I might need to make this circle smaller. All right. No. Wait, is it? It looks like it's trying to attack. Yeah, it is trying to attack. And now it's not. But now it's not even moving anymore. That's annoying. It's not doing the proper flight now. Yeah, look, it's trying to, but it's not getting it off. It's like going so slow. It's in position. Godot uses Vulkan, and you can see it in the terminal. I don't know what Vulkan is or how to use it. Okay, so something's up with the speed here. Attract. All right. A graphics API. Ah. I don't really. Do I need to be looking at that right now? Parameters, attack tree, attack speed, scale. What? And. Ugh. Man. Okay, so the request is going off. Maybe, and it's not that it's like swapping states or anything too fast. I wonder what happens if we remove this connection. It might break it because we have other things connected to that, but actually it will break it, I think. No, it didn't break it. Okay. The movement's not working. Look, it's going to attack. It's in it. It's like in the attack position here. That's 100% working. It's just not playing the animation. Or is it playing the animation just really slow? Does anyone see it move? Alright, that's not even... It's just frozen. Maybe we messed something up in the tree? Let's reconnect this, because that wasn't an issue. Now let's check here. So we have animation into the attack speed, into the shot of the one shot, into the output. Animation into the attack speed, into the shot of the one shot. And if we change blend space to 1, it flies. If we keep it at 0, it idles. It's connected to output here. Now if we play the one shot, fire, boom. Maybe we didn't hit fade in time, blend, auto restart, delay. No. That is so strange. Where? So we have it. All right, let's try. What if we turn the attack speed? Actually, is our attack speed even attached to anything right now? I don't think it is. Yeah, I don't think our attack speed is connected anywhere. There's special speed curve, an attack speed curve. So let's go down to attack speed curve. Stats at attack speed times 0.1. Okay, so it is. And then it goes to the attack tree. The attack speed scale. That's correct. Okay. Oh, now it's just not even doing the... It's not even trying to do the attack anymore, but it's doing the movement. So there it's flying, now it's idle. Flying, idle. Flying, idle. It's getting the target. But when we had... That's so strange, because when we had it do... Here, instead of requesting a 1, which is the exact same thing as this, but for some reason it started playing the animation when we didn't have the one there and we had the one-shot request fire. That doesn't make sense to me. So now it should at least begin to start the animation, which is when it brings its arm back. Oh man, we're so close. No, it's not doing it. What did we change? It was doing it. But then when we change the speed, if we change the attack speed back to 1, it looked like it was starting to move. Or like the one shot isn't firing for some reason. Can we activate the one shot while we're in game? Oh, I can't, because when I click out of this, it will fire. So it moved, it went to fire it, but the animation itself is not playing. Huh. Fire. No. So it's not firing properly. It's transitioning for the movement. Our heal shouldn't work. Oh no, our heal will work because it's attached to the blend tree right now. If anyone has any ideas, even if it's a dumb one, let me know. Because I really am not sure. Yeah, I am stumped. Let me switch the goal. You're not the goal. You're the goal. Oh, no, it's already there. Fix animations. Perfect. Didn't even have to change it. All right. Let's see here. Another 360. Oh boy, Jax. All right. Well, there we go. Whew. Man, every time I look over to the camera, I'm like, I'll look over and I'm seeing my hair grow back more and more. Oh, that's cool. I might do a little like, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start taking a picture after like the end of every week just to see my hair growth. Just to like watch the hair just go. I'm doing that so you can stay healthy. Thanks for looking out for me. Nothing more healthy than spinning in a circle. Oh man. Okay. Parameters, attack tree, attack request, and it's firing. It is firing. But it's not like playing. It's being overwritten by something. I just don't know what would be overwriting it. Because when we disconnect the blend tree here, if we disconnect this and then play, is this when it did that, it started doing it? So maybe it's getting written over by idling and flying, but it shouldn't. It should run while they're happening. Yeah, look, there it is, yeah. So it's starting to do it again. But it's not doing it. Oh. Now it transferred back to doing something else. Oh, it's not even... What? Oh, wait, is our movement tied to... Yeah, it is, okay. Our movement is tied to a different thing. So, what if we do... I wonder, what if we do a... Do we do state machines? I guess that's kind of what we have here. But what we can do is we do... How would that connect, though? Like if we do another blend space here and we go movement. And then within it, we'll just start at 0. I said we'll start at 0. There we go. And we'll add our idle. Go to 1. Add our fly. Save that. Go ahead over here. Idle fly. Wait. Wait. I did that wrong. Add a blend tree. Wait, what if we add a state machine? Yeah. Add a state machine. Then we go into it. And now we can do the add, blend space 1D. Set it to 0. Not -1. We're getting there. 0. And then we'll add in the animation for idle. Add in the animation for flying. Alright. Head back to the state machine. Now it's here. So we can just connect. Bam. So now our movement state machine is done. And movement machine. And it just does starts a blend space 1D. And then we can do another state machine. And we'll call it our attack machine. And within that, we will do animation timescale. Animation. Oh crap. Wait. We're gonna have to do blend tree. Then do a timescale. Call this attack speed. And then we do our animation. We do spell 1, connect. Back over here. Blend tree, we'll call it attack tree. Connect it to start. Okay, so now we have our movement machine. Our movement machine. And our attack machine. Now I wonder if we delete this. Take these three, we'll just move them over here for now. We'll do it like this. Just to keep it organized. And then we will connect the movement with the attack and back and start movement. We'll do it like that. And then we need to do this should be immediate auto. Yeah. And this one should be immediate. I mean, I guess we can leave it immediate auto for now. And let's see if this will work. So animation tree. Let's see. Dot set. Animation tree dot set parameters slash. No, it's not that. Sorry. It's anim playback dot travel attack machine. Oops. Attack machine. And then for the movement, we can do anim playback dot travel movement machine attack machine movement machine. Save that. Hit play. Please don't break. Please don't break. Sweet. Okay, so the movement's getting written by itself right now. That's why it's freaking out. Okay, so something's going on here. Playback. Death speeds. Yeah, no, it should just fire. So let's go back to our movement machine then. And then we can do... What can we do here? Lens place goes from idle to run. I mean, I guess unless we just do a state. No. Do that so that we were traveling to that part. And then No, that's not working either. Not even attacking. Alright, what if we remove the movement? So remove the movement machine here. Just delete this. Bam. Let's just do the attack. Try this out. Maybe this will yield some better results. Potentially. Alright, hit play. Bada bing, bada boom. Drag it down. Alright, so it shouldn't have any kind of movement here. Right, perfect. And now it should not attack, I guess. Can you show your background? What do you mean? Anim playback dot travel attack machine. Okay, so instead we can do the animation tree dot set attack machine dot set attack machine. No, that didn't work. Attack machine, not dot one. I don't know if that's gonna work. Like, you are cutting your background. Yeah. I mean, there's I'm just in an empty room. You can also check out the birthday stream. There's a bunch of highlights in there. And that one I turned off the cutout and just left the background going. But yeah, we just have a bunch of notes written out right now on the whiteboard for planning with our future event coming up. So I don't want to quite show that right now. I don't want to ruin the surprise for you guys, you know? Okay, that's not working either. None of this is working. No. No. Bow, bow. Alright. So that just straight up did not work. All of our little plans. So what we can do is we will just get rid of that. This we know works-ish. Kind of. I mean, it doesn't attack, but we know this part works. I wonder if we can just jump to the attack. Would that make sense? Like, do add animation, spell 1, attack test. Then we just do anim node or anim playback. Yeah, and in playback dot travel attack test. Maybe that'll work. Nope, that doesn't work either. All right. At this point, we're just like trying random things, hoping they work. So we can do animation tree dot set parameters slash, oh, that's dot slash blend tree attack request 1. We come down here. Just delete that line. Back over here. Uncomment that out. And then instead of attack tree, it's just blend tree. All right, so this has brought us back to where we started. Yippee. Yep, there's the movement. And it won't attack, but it will heal. I don't get it. I just don't get it. It doesn't make sense. Huh. I guess maybe we'll just work on something else for now and try to figure that out later. That's the only thing I can think of. Okay. Let's do this. We'll take this guy. Delete. Remove. This guy. Oop. This guy. Delete. Remove. Why is this a script? Oh. I see. Close that. Then we can do close these up. Enemy, fairy, summoner, fairy. Here it is. Familiar red, delete. Caster, delete. Companion, delete. Okay, those are gone. Good, good, good. Close the building blocks, go to the characters. Same thing, we're gonna delete. 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 Go down to the scripts, make sure we don't have any extra scripts laying around. Sweet. All right, we're gonna actually, before we add our brand new special thing, we're going to head over here to Neclino. Wait for it. Bam, bam. I'm gonna head to our tasks. Go to our companion fairy stuff. Idle animation, yep. Tapping should get rid of the fairy, keep its current health stat. Oh, yes. That's true. We did set its drop range. We got this. Okay. So now the tough part is big up. I'm lurking. Sounds good. Sounds good. You get that work done. I am not lurking. Obviously. Alright, we need to get... Ooh. What do we do? I would like to make it so when we click the party container again, it will get rid of the companion. So to do that, we need to go to the party container right here. So the goal of this is when we click on our container again. So you have like the player. There they are. It's this container thing that's on the side of the screen. What we want to happen is that you can click on it. You can just click on it one more time and the companion will go away. And you click on it again, you can drag and you put the companion wherever you want. That's the idea. So we need to figure out a way to remove the companion without deleting it. Because I believe if we delete it, we delete the health bars. And we don't want that. So we could also go into this global here, add to party. Maybe we leave it like that. And then whatever the member that we... No, that doesn't make sense. Whatever the member that... I mean, One thing we definitely could do is make it so that it just hides. So we turn off its visibility, and then from there we turn off its collisions, its abilities to attack. But I feel like that's just gonna use up, like, absolutely eat into the how, like, eat into like the processing power of the game. Like, it's gonna be too heavy if we do that. I don't know what the actual term is for that. So if anyone knows, just let me know. But yeah. All right, we'll do that. We need to make it not. Well, we won't do that, I should say. I think what we could do is, if the companion already exists, then we remove child. And if we remove child, maybe it will stay in the party. So we could do like a bool here. We do var companion out. No, companion placed. Companion equip. No. What would you guys call it when you like place the companion? So we have ourselves, and we have, of course, we have the party container with all the different companions. What would you call it when we actually place a companion? That's the fairy, by the way. Would we call it placed? Would we call it equip? What makes the most sense? Spawned. Yes. Companion spawned. Whoa. That was weird. And then we can set this as a bool. And then here we do companion spawned equals true. And then else companion arm placed is false. And that makes the companion arm move. And then we can say if companion spawned equals false, game manager dot player dot remove child companion. And then companion arm placed. What the? Do you guys see the screen flashing? Like flashing white? At any point in time? Hopefully not. My OBS just keeps randomly flashing white. Like mad crazy. I don't know why. Just out of the blue. Huh. How strange. How strange. Rower! Welcome back! Thank you for the follow again. 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 Don't use equal to false. Use not companion spawn for better readability. Yes. Good call. Good call. If not companion spawned, then game manager player remove companion. And we gotta remove the leash. Actually, no, we don't. Because it'll just go back to it. Will you be my bro? Your what now? Hold on. I don't even know what that word is. Broskin? Broski? I'll be your broski. How about your broskin though? I think you're my broskin already. What does this mean? Broskin? I don't speak this language here. We'll have to look it up. What's it called? We are Broskin brothers now. No choice. Well, crap. All right. Well, I guess. I have no choice. A bro, a friend. I'm looking it up on Urban Dictionary. Oh, it's just like a broski. But broskin.